Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a hair review as usual, and this hair is from Alipearl. And one thing about Alipearl wigs is that they always eat. And I'm happy to I'm happy to say that I'm not the only one that can testify to that. Alipearl hairs are so top quality. Actually, I don't even know if I should do this part like right now or if I should do it later when I've installed my hair and I can do all the talking, but whatever. Anyways, I look good. So this video is going to be broken down into two parts. There's going to be the styling, like how I curled my hair and stuff like that, and then the installation part. This is a reinstallation because I've actually installed this hair before. I've trimmed this hair, I've cut the hair and done all that, you know, all the shenanigans, and right now I'm just reinstalling this hair. But one thing that I regret is that I feel like I tried to layer it too much and I cut off a lot because this hair was so thick. Like I think it was like 250 density or so, and it was like really thick. And then me being me with her, you know, Ivy with her scissors decided to cut everything. And what did I have left? We shall see. Hopefully it's still great, but you know, we'll find out. Yeah, so I'm just going to let the styling part, the styling part actually, I'm just going to let that part play so you can see how I curled the hair and everything I did to achieve these curls, you know. Keep watching, guys, keep watching.
Make sure you make the purchase. Make the purchase now.
Brothers and sisters, I want to welcome you back tonight. Back to the one that can make your next chapter your best chapter.
And so we are back and it's time for the installation. Let me show you what the hair looks like right now, because I actually did all that styling last night and this is what it's looking like. Gorgeous. Can't wait to put this thing on. So actually doing it last night saved me so much time. So all I have to just do now is to install. And I think I want to do a glue install. I don't really want to use like just melting spray and stuff. I want to do like proper installation with glue. Gosh. So for some reason, I'm not really being so interested in using wig caps, and that's because I mean, let's just be real. Most times they just show underneath the lace, and it looks very tacky and weird. So I prefer to not use wig caps. Guys, my mirror is like so far away from me. Hopefully this sounds out right. So first things first. In case a bum try to touch me, you know, a couple of wet wipes. For my hair, my hairline, just need to wipe off all that makeup, and I won't say gunk because please, I don't have gunk on my hair. I'm so clean. Sorry, I actually forgot to, you know. This is literally the cutest pocket mirror I've ever seen in my life because of this drawing. Gorgeous! Oh, this girl is so pretty. On that. So clearly some parts are without glue, so I have to go back and reapply. God, I hope this is not too forward. Jesus, save me. Before I press down and shake it together several times. So, scratch that. Actually, I realized that my hair, I don't think I've actually customized this hair to the hairline that I want. And so when I was trying to install it, like there was a whole lot of like rumpleness here, and I tried my best to adjust that, but it wasn't working and everything got so messy. I had to take off the glue, and I used so much alcohol to take out the glue that my fingers are so super dry right now, and I just cannot afford to use glue again. So I'm just going to use melting spray. But before that, I'm just going to take out these curls and then try to customize the lace before I even install. That's exactly what you should do, actually. So, I feel like I messed it up because I was not so close to my mirror. So I'm probably just going to do like somewhere else and then come back when I'm done, please. You guys cannot stress me. This is not a customization tutorial. Yeah, so the reason for the headband under the lace is so I don't burn myself with the hot comb. So yeah, I did not want to get I did not want to exaggerate the Lagos hairline, and I'm still working on it, but so far, this is what we have. Hold on. Okay, it might look a little different once I take this out. Oh well. So I'm just going to cut off the excess lace and do the install, and I'll be back again. So I'm just going to take out the pins. Maybe I look a little crazy. I know. So Fenty Beauty concealer. This concealer makes me feel like I've been touched by her grace. Rihanna. The Pro Filter Concealer shade 470. And I'm just using this to match my hairline. To blend my hairline to match my skin. Whatever. I feel like I'm saying too much. This video might be like 10 minutes long. So. Like, should I just do a side part or should I just continue my center part? Side? Girl, you see the vision! You see the vision! How many minutes do we even have left? 0. Alpha. I'll be back when I'm done.
Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Sure to give it.
Actually, let me tell you something. So I actually recorded this video before. That's why I'm doing a reinstall now. And the first video I recorded, I lost all the files. And I'm actually really happy I lost the files because now, this beats what I did before. This eats. What is this gorgeousness? Now my hands are blessed. I'm super duper talented in this hair business because these girls are eating so bad. Nah, these girls are not starving at all. Super cool. It's such a shame that it's 9 p.m. and I have nowhere to go. So like, what's gonna happen to all this gorgeousness?
Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving.
Thank you so much for staying with me to the very end of this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you did because I did. Come on, look at the result. Gorgeous. Thank you to Alipearl for sponsoring this video, and everything you need to know about this hair is going to be in my description box. And if you want to order this hair as well, the link is in my description box as well. So yeah. All right now, bye guys.